Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I am so freaking excited about the product in today's video. It is a concept that I have always wanted to try and never quite knew which one was going to be the right one to try, and now I think I've found it. I have the Kaja Wink Stamp Wing Eyeliner Stamp and Pen Set. I have always been so intrigued by these eyeliner stamps. It is a little triangle shaped stamp that you stamp on the outside of your eye and it creates your wing for you. Now, I'm a huge fan of a winged liner. I love a good wing, but I also always struggle getting both sides to match. And I love the meme that says, if a girl with winged eyeliner is late, don't ask her why she's late. Because you know why she's late. It's nearly impossible to get both sides looking perfect and just the way you want and also still be on time. So if this little stamp can take out all the hard work for me, I'm really intrigued and very excited to try it. In this set, the purple one is the left and right wing stamps. One is on each side, and the black one is your standard felt tip liner. Also, if you need it, it comes with a little instruction sheet. But today, we're just gonna wing it. To make this video quick and easy, I went ahead and did all of the rest of my makeup except eyeliner and mascara. To complete my look today, I am wearing a couple of new favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. On my eyes, I have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette, and I am loving this. For foundation, I have the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, which I am obsessed with. On my lips, I have the new KKW Matte Lipstick in 90s Supermodel, topped with my beloved Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Divine Rose. If you want to know more about any of those products, let me know in the comments below. And while you are at it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I launch a new video, and let's wing it. I'm gonna start with my right eye because I am right-handed and I don't want to get too crazy right out of the gate. Super handy on the package itself. It tells you which side is your right wing and which is your left wing. I am going to line up the inner side of this little wing stamp. I don't know if you can see it. With the outer corner of my eye, kind of in the same alignment and spot where my natural eyeliner will end. And that's it. We have a little wing stamp. Basically, now that you have your wing stamp here, you're just going to draw on your eyeliner and attach it to your wing. Okay, I really didn't think the rest of this through because I'm not that great at putting eyeliner on the camera while holding a mirror in one hand and the eyeliner in the other. So I'm gonna try this and we'll see how far I get before I have to jump forward a little bit and fix it on my own. Okay, you get the picture, but I'm really terrible at this. So I'm gonna go do this off camera and I'll come back and explain. Okay, you guys, I'm crazy impressed with this stamp right now. My right eye only took me like 2 minutes total to do. So I stamped it, which I showed you guys, and then I just took my liner. And the way I do my liner, I'm gonna put down my mirror and just show you what I do and why I can't do it on camera. Side note, the reason I can't do it on camera is because my table is a good 12 inches below where I would need it to be able to put a mirror on it and draw the liner for you. For my left side, I will find a way to stack some things up and show you with a little mirror. But for now, I'll walk you through the steps. So I stamped my wing and then I took my liner and I drew my liner across my lid, and then literally all I did was connect the top of the wing to the liner and the bottom of my wing to the liner, and there was one little patch that I touched up just a dot in the stamp because I missed a little spot when I pushed it on my face, and that was it. The entire eye is done. This is so cool. Now I'm going to try it on my left side, which is actually not as strong as my right side, so we'll see if I do just as well on the left side. I am going to grab some shoe boxes or something to makeshift a little elevated table here so I can really show you how I do my liner. Okay, so now I have a crazy concoction of shoe boxes and a book and my mirror and my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, but I really want to show you how easy this actually is to do, and I need both hands. Okay, left side, let's do this. I have my left side wing, and I do want to make note that I have my right wing aimed up toward the end of my eyebrow right here, so I'm going to try to do that on my left side as well. Okay, I wasn't as happy with that stamp, so I tried to cover it with a little bit of concealer and blend that in a little bit, and I am going to try again. That's a little bit more aligned with what I have on the right side. For some reason, my right side is a little more pointy than this left side stamp, but I will show you how to fix that. Okay, now for how I apply my eyeliner. I love a great felt tip pen, and I have to say that this Kaja ink black liner is wonderful. It's so pretty. My eyelids tend to be a little bit crepey and a little bit wrinkly, so I do gently flatten out my eye with my other hand, just to make sure I don't get a ton of skips and crazy, bumpy, weird liner. I generally start in the middle of my eye and work my way out, and then go from the inner corner to the middle and touch it all up together. It's always a good thing to do little check-ins as you go, and do it piece by piece. You don't have to do your whole liner in one fell swoop. It's a lot easier to do little pieces and then kind of hook them all together, almost like connect the dots. Now you can see I have my liner and my wing, and I'm just gonna fill in those couple little spots to connect them. Since my right side is pointier than my left side, I'm going to take my felt tip liner at the very tip of my left wing, extend it just a little bit to make it a little bit sharper, and pull it all back together. And that is it. That's all it takes to create a perfect winged liner with the Kaja Wink stamp. I'm going to deconstruct my little tower and throw on some mascara, and I will be right back. And I am back with my final look. I am so obsessed with this wink stamp and felt liner. These products are so good. I really thought that it was going to be kind of a gimmick, and that once you stamped it on, like, it wouldn't stamp straight, or you'd have crazy crooked wings. And I will say you do have to pay a little bit of attention on your second eye as to how you did your first eye, just like with any other wing. But this cuts so much time off of trying to do a winged liner, and it really gave a great shape or template. If you want to do a more bold wing, you can just use it as a guide. Just build on layer by layer, or, you know, do your line slightly higher on this side and equally higher on this side, and then you get a bigger wing. I think this product is so cool, and the fact that it comes with a really great liner as well, I think is really awesome. I don't know if this liner comes separate. I almost feel like I wish it did come separate, just because I don't know if you'll use them both equally. I would think you would probably use more liner than stamp. So if you had to replace the liner, you would also have to replace the stamp as well. And I wish you could buy, I don't know, I guess if it was separate, then it wouldn't be a kit. But I want all of the things. I want the best of all of the worlds. I want them individually and together. I don't know. I want everything. Yes, when you buy them together, it is a little bit more expensive than when you buy just an eyeliner, but it's not that much more expensive, especially if you are wing challenged or time challenged. This will come in so handy, and it will be worth the extra cost on the amount of money that it will save you every morning. But I'm so happy about these products. I think the wings turned out wonderful. I love it. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of a winged liner, and anything that can save me time and make me more accurate is a win in my book. Now it's your turn. What do you think of the wink stamp liner set from Kaja? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to also let me know if there is something else you want to see, something you want me to try, or anything I need to know about. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me. I absolutely love being here with you guys. If you enjoyed being here with me, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I launch a new video, and we will see you guys next time.